much for watching. Today we're opening up the July Allure beauty box. So this beauty box cost $15 per month. I ordered mine through Amazon. I will link it down below. So today we will be unboxing the July box, and then after that I will quickly review the products from June. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes, and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get this box open. I really liked last month, like spoiler to the review portion, so I'm excited to see what we have this time. So we have this here that has information. Well, I always say that and I correct myself. I'm like, well, it's really like the editor is just saying why they selected the products to be in the box. So let's do a little sneak peek. Oh, it looks like we have one full size. Honestly, Allure is pretty damn good, like $15, and we always get at least full-size item, maybe 2 or 3. Oh, and I'm really excited about this one. This is by Peach and Lily. It's the Glass Skin Refining Serum. Can you guys even see that? So this was featured in a BoxyCharm probably over a year ago now, and I didn't get it, but people that did raved about it. And you guys know I love skincare. I have far too much of it, but I love trying new skincare and letting you guys know what works and what doesn't, for me at least. So this is made with peach extract and peptide complex. It's a little bit bigger than a standard serum. It has 40 milliliters, so 1.35 fluid ounces usually, like their standard size of 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. This is what the bottle looks like. And there's a little pump. Put a little bit on my hand. I have a feeling this is the star of the show, just looking in the box. I wonder how much this cost, I can't remember. So it has a clear consistency. Is there a scent? I can kind of smell something, but it doesn't smell that fragrant. It feels nice. Is it gonna give me glass skin on my hand? Wow, this cost $39, so more than double what I paid. And it's really nice, they always have promo codes, or usually always for all the items featured in the box. So there's a code for like 10% off, for example, for, oh, so it's if you want to repurchase this. So yeah, that's nice. Usually it's like for site-wide, but if it's for this, it's for this serum specifically. So yeah, have you guys tried this? Did you get it in BoxyCharm? Let me, or in Allure, if you got your box sooner than I did, let me know what you thought. Glassy, transparent, poreless skin is achieved when skin is well hydrated and without inflammation and free radical damage. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, wild yam, madecassoside, I don't know what that is, peptides and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate, calm, and brighten and firm the skin. Crystal clear glass skin is yours. I really do like niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. So, excited to try it. The next item, I'm probably going to throw this in my 10K giveaway, which we will eventually get to. I keep referring to it in a lot of videos because I keep adding more and more to my stash for the upcoming giveaway. We're less than 250 subscribers away, so hopefully soon. But Dr. Jart's I don't use because it is not cruelty free. And this is their Cisapear Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. A lot of people really like this line, the Tiger Grass line. Like the name suggests, it's like calming and good for like dry, irritated skin. And I don't really have dry or irritated skin, so I would want to pass this on anyways if someone else needed it. So this is a tiny guy here. It is 5 milliliters. The full size is $48. Next up we have, oh, I have the full size of this. I never know, is it Osé or OC or O'Shea? But this is the Ocean Cleanser. So this isn't full size, but it is definitely a good size. But yeah, I have the full size of this. I got it, I was about to say like in a subscription box. I get everything from subscription boxes. And it's nice. I stopped using it because I was testing out other things. But yeah, no complaints. I really like this line, and I really like their packaging too. So I have a feeling I will put this into the future giveaway as well. Gosh, if we never hit that milestone, it's gonna be such a big, oh, I shouldn't say that then, no one else. I was gonna say it's gonna be such a huge giveaway. It will be either way. So 18 milliliters for this one. The full size is 150 milliliters. Oh wow, so this is small comparatively, but you do get enough product in here to like try it out to know if you want to purchase the full size. The full size is $48. It says seaweed looks good on you. They say this is ideal for normal, dry, and combo skin, so like all but oily, I guess. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize the skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving the skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. There's something here that talks about peach and lily. Next up, by Beautinique Beauty, this is their Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. I feel like these like cream lip and cheek products, like duo products, are big right now. Achieve a natural dewy flush of color with this buttery cream blusher that blends seamlessly into the cheeks and doubles as an effortless lip color, crafted with 90% natural plant-based oils to nourish, condition, and hydrate the skin while bestowing the most gorgeous, creamy radiance to cheek and lips. Let's get this out and look at it. I try not to use my press-on nails like open things, but like I open a lot of stuff every single day, and sometimes it like hurts, it like pulls on them. It's hard not to use your nails when you open things. So I think this is full size and it's $16, so this is more than what I paid for the box. That's what it looks like. Do a little swatch. Oh, it seems like it looks a lot more pigmented in the jar, but let's see. Which is a good thing. I don't like too pigmented of blushes for obvious reasons. I'm very pale, so I think that looks really pretty. I'll have to try that out. I'm trying to jump on the cream train, but I prefer powder products. But sometimes, like recently I've been trying cream blushes and then I'll put powder on after and then like a little bit more powder blush or like a blush topper, and I've been liking that. Let's move on. Ooh, I could use this. Averil, I don't think I've heard of them. Acne Cover Patch. It covers blemishes invisibly. You get 8 clear patches in here. It's made with Cica, tea tree, and calendula oil. It's hydrocolloid technology. So these are supposed to be good at getting rid of your pimples. And you can even wear them during the day, they say. I usually wear them overnight when I've had these in the past. I haven't had them in a while. Our hydrocolloid patches are designed to blend in with skin types while minimizing the impurities away from your blemish areas. So you cleanse and dry your skin, and then you put it on, you like remove the film, then stick it on, and you're supposed to wear a minimum of 6 hours. It's like why wearing it to bed is great. Yeah, it says remove it after it turns white, replace is necessary. Have you guys tried these types of patches? Do they work for your acne? And we have one last item in here. This is by Lapkos. It's their charcoal pore care. So this is a sheet mask, it looks like, right? Yeah, charcoal sheet mask with fine charcoal powder detoxifies and tightens the pores. So I think masks count as full size. Let's see if it says the pricing or if it only gives full size. Okay, so $3 for this mask. That's a good price, standard price I would say. And that was everything. So I definitely don't think this box this month was like the most exciting Allure box. I actually personally am excited. Even if I just got this, like I got my money's worth for sure, and I've heard such great things about this Peach and Lily product, the Glass Skin Refining Serum, and I've never tried any Peach and Lily products before, so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. I would love to achieve glass skin. And I already own this cleanser by O'Shea, and I do like it, so I think it's great they include it so other people could try it. I don't know how much I'll reach for this Beautinique blush, but it does look pretty, so I'm gonna give it a shot for sure. Not using this. I'll use the acne patches and eventually this. So yeah, it's a good box, but yeah, I don't have that like super excitement about it, you know, like sometimes I do with my boxes, like oh, if it's a good box, but yeah, I think it's totally worth the $15. So sometimes there are variations with the box, and I'm looking through this little thing, and it says the only variation would be with the Dr. Jart, so could have obviously gotten what I have, or a mineral sunscreen. Now either way I wouldn't use them, but I would have preferred to get a sunscreen because I'm all about the SPF. But yeah, so you guys have to let me know what you thought of the box. You guys get Allure. If you're interested in Allure, of course it'll be linked down below. But let's transition into a quick review of June's products. So I didn't grab everything to talk about them, but I have my little sheet here to tell you. So I loved it. One of the main reasons why I loved last month's box is a product I have right in front of me was because we got a full-size Yensa lip oil. This lip oil is $28, and one of my favorites. You guys have heard me read about this oil and Yensa in general. So yeah, this is is the first one I've ever gotten, so I'm getting close to the end, more than halfway done. So then we got another one, Allure, and then I got a third one like as an add-on, an Ipsy or something like that. So sneak peek, that a full size of my favorite lip oil by Yensa will also be in the 10K giveaway. Since I have so many, I wanted to share with you guys so you can try out what I love. But yeah, I love that Allure featured that, so more of you could try it. And then we received a full size Pure Lease like charcoal cleanser. I ended up passing that on. I wasn't like not excited about it. I just have so much stuff I'm already testing, and I've tried other things in the Pure Lease like watermelon line, and they were fine, but like not like amazing for me, so I thought someone else would really enjoy trying that more than me. And then the one other item I did not keep is by Belief, and that is not cruelty free. It's just like this itty bitty baby sample of like one of their moisturizers. And then we got some gel nails. I haven't used them yet. I do have my press-on nails on right now, which by the way, I think they gave me a code for this brand. I always link everything down in the description box. So these are linked along with that code. It's not like affiliate or anything, but I really like the press-on nails. I haven't tried the gel ones yet. My nails are kind of like damaged from taking off the dip nails I had on before, and the gel just seems like you place it on top. I feel like you should have a smooth surface. I don't know, but they're really pretty, and I definitely will use them because I'm all about like doing the fake nails now. And then we got an eye mask. Love eye mask. That was great. And we got a sheet mask as well by Starskin, but it had like an oil with it too, and I did that. So you apply the oil and then the sheet mask over it, and I felt like my skin was very hydrated and looked healthy after using that, and it was fun to do. So yeah, overall last month was great. But that is everything for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.